Munini wa President Prof Kithure Kindiki Niwaweta Vayingwa Mutongoi Ona Umwe Silikalini Nene Wina Utonyi wa Kukinyangia Nthi Matunda maki Uthukumi ala Silikali Sya Mitiuuko Ikwatite Myaka 15 Kuma Silikali Sya Syambiia ainena kavindani ka kikalo cha miongweli na muonza cha Silikali Nene na magavana. Kindiki Niwaweta Vayingwa wa Silikali ili kusindana ateonisya ile kukwatiania ya Uthukumi kwa ila mikalile ya ene nthi na vala mwema maseneta na magavana mathingilila tavena kisii kinene cha muyana wa Silikali ithi na vena vata wakusa kuwa musumbi wina wendi musio kwasyo Benjamin Myaka ena mauvo.
Silikalini Nene niendea kuitetea kana thina muvango Ona Umwe wa kuvingisa kana kuomba uthukumi wa Silikali Sya Mitiuuko. Munini wa President Prof Kithure Kindiki haungamite kikalo cha IBEC cha miongweli na muonza kwi umonthi nwalumilelia Vayingwa agenda ta hii Utongoi wa Silikali ya President William Ruto.
Nobody has the capacity to roll back devolution. It is so strong. No one, no administration has the capacity to roll back even an inch of devolution.
Kuyanana na Kindiki nikana nivenda ngwatanio dumu katika toa magavana na Silikali Nene no kana kuthukumithia amwe mama uthukumi manene halamenda ngwatanio ya vakuvya Silikali ile.
Your Excellency, you know this share thing will not have taken off the ground had it not been for the governors. Because when everybody was fighting it, we stuck out our neck, right? And we got called all manner of names. And now everybody is on board singing the same song. So where we know it's beneficial for our masses, for our constituents, we'll collaborate.
We have the community health volunteers or promoters program. We have the Taifa Care program, which we are rolling out without much quarrels. And I must commend the governors. You know, you'd have expected, oh, this is devolved, I don't know what. But there are certain things which only the shared national infrastructure of the state can stop the counties, not because we want to claw back on their function, to make sure it succeeds.
Atio hamwe mama seneta ta seneta Edwin Sifuna wa county lovi memweta vaitonekana county kaende ya kuthukuma kolomu ethi wa Silikali Nene ni kusukumisya mauthukumi mena kivindu kingi county ne weta affordable housing pamwe na mulatu industrial parks wa Kipes sikitwe county ne chavina na iyo weta vathiundu county sisa kuendea President William Ruto.
When the governor of Makueni was here, he told us in no uncertain terms that nobody wants to listen to him, even just in terms of change of design or the size of the building, because all of these things are being decided here in Nairobi. And whether you like it or not, that project has to go on because people's stomachs have to be fed. It is that simple, Senator. Yeah. So even when you see the affordable housing program, it's a scam, and it will come to pass one of these fine days. We sympathize with county governments. We are trying our best to get the national government out of county affairs, but you know we are doing badly. And for me, the way forward is only one. For as long as we do not get the national leadership of this country right, it doesn't matter which geniuses you put as governors in the counties. Devolution is never going to work because we have the biggest enemy of devolution sitting at State House. Is that simple?
Governor James Agri Orengo ni umwe wa magavana la methitu maine na kwa wasya mokale kukutetea Silikali Sya Mitiuuko na kwi umonthia vikite mbiwanzama ya mbunge ya seneti ya wiki wa masafu kwenye mitumile ya mbesa sya county CPAC no halumelelia ethi wa mbunge yumbanite kusese uthukumu wa Silikali Sya Mitiuuko ivatoneka kula ya mawoni ma mwene nthi katwaiwa no kana kwikithia county inaminwa ni Silikali Nene.
If this institution as a parliament does not support devolution, then we are in a terrible place. I think in Kenya, counties are going to depend on who is the principal power in the land. I think if that's the competition we're going to have, then I think we should amend the constitution again. And we should make this thing work.
Vilingwa mauvo kumavamu sinilovi nye nito Benjamin Myaka.